How to add Music Bot on Discord 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Discord and how you're going to be adding a music bot for yourself. So to do this, what you're first of all going to do is you're going to come over to the website called top.gg. Now, once you're over here, what you're basically going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and try all of these different music bots that you have. So the most popular ones are ones like Musico, you have FlabbyBot, Greenbot, etc. So I'm going to go with Musico. And once you click on Musico, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on invite. And once we click on invite, what happens is Musico is going to open up your Discord application right over here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to choose a server. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm simply going to go ahead and add a server for myself. Okay. And once I've created this over here, we go back to Musico. Okay. You're going to click on invite. It's going to open up your Discord. And once your Discord is fully opened up, what's going to happen from there is it's going to be asking you what server you wanted to add it in. You're going to add your server, click on continue, authorize all the details, and now when I come over here, you can see that Musico is going to be added directly to my server. So I go over to my server, and right over here we have Musico or a music bot in my Discord, and that is pretty much about it. That is how you're going to go ahead and add music on your Discord. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.